Jai Hind. Today's lecture I will explain gray code to binary conversion. B have given this gray code. B have to convert to binary code. What will be the procedure? This is a most significant bit. This is a least significant bit. Most significant digit को आपने as it is लिखना है. 1 और 0 का XOR ऑपरेशन करना है. In the case of XOR gate, if both the inputs are same, output will 0. If both the inputs are different, output will 1. In this case, both inputs are same. You will get 0 output. Again, you have to perform XOR operation between 0 and 1. Both inputs are different. Output will 1. Again, you have to perform XOR operation between 1 and 0. Both inputs are different. Output will 1. This is a binary code corresponding to gray code. Let us try this one. You have to convert gray to binary code. This is most significant bit. This is least significant bit. You have to write most significant bit as it is. You have to perform XOR operation between 1 and 1. Both inputs are same. You will get 0 as a output. Again, you have to perform XOR between 0 and 1. Both inputs are different. You will get 1 as a output. Again, you have to perform XOR between 1 and 0. Both inputs are different. Output will 1. And last, you have to perform again XOR operation between 1 and 0. Both inputs are different. You will get 1 as a output. This is a binary code for this given gray code. Let us try last one. Most significant bit को आपने as it is लिखना है. Now you have to perform XOR operation between these two inputs. Both inputs are different. Output will 1. Again, you have to perform XOR operation between 0 and 1. Both inputs are different. You will get 1 output. Similarly, you have to perform XOR operation between this 1 and this 0. Both inputs are different. You will get 1 as a output. This is a binary code for this gray code. This is a gray code G3, G2, G1, G0. This is binary code V3, V2, B1, B0. क्लास 1 को आपने एज इट इज लिखा है. B3 इज इक्वल टू G3. अगेन B2 इज इक्वल टू B3 XOR G2. In same way, B1 is equal to B2 XOR G1. And last B0. B0 is equal to B1 XOR G0. B1 XOR G0. Now we will draw circuit. We have to convert gray code to binary code. G3, G2, G1 and G0 are the bits of gray code. B3 is equal to G3. So G3 is equal to B3. B2 is equal to B3 XOR G2. This is B3. This is G2. You have to perform XOR operation. At output, you will get B2, which is equal to B3 XOR G2. In same way, B1 is equal to B2 XOR G1. You have to perform XOR operation. You will get B1, which is equal to B2 XOR G1. In same way, B0 is equal to B1 XOR G0. This is B1, this is G0. You have to perform XOR operation. Output will be 0, which is equal to B1 XOR G0. This is a circuit diagram for 4-bit gray to binary converter. XOR gate has a property. If A XOR B is equal to C, then A XOR C will equal to B. In same way, B XOR C is equal to A. क्लास आप यहां पर इनपुट्स का ऑर्डर चेंज कर सकते हो, रिजल्ट में कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा. यू कैन ऑल्सो राइट C XOR A is equal to B because XOR gate follow commutative property. B3 is equal to G3. अगेन अगर मैं यहां से G2 कैलकुलेट करता हूं, सेम प्रॉपर्टी लगाऊंगा. G2 किसके बराबर होगा? B2 XOR B3. अगेन अगर यहां पर मैं G1 कैलकुलेट करता हूं, इट विल B1 XOR B2. इसी तरह से अगर यहां पर G0 कैलकुलेट करता हूं, वी विल गेट B0 XOR B1. अब क्लास यहां पर देखो, यहां पर हमें दिया था ग्रे कोड्स, हमने इसको अगेन कन्वर्ट किया बाइनरी कोड्स में. अगेन अगर इन बाइनरी कोड्स को ग्रे कोड में कन्वर्ट करना है, फिर सर्किट क्या रहेगा? आप यहां पर देखो, यहां पर हमें B3 मिला. B3 सेम G3 के बराबर होता है, तो यहां पर क्या मिलेगा? G3. अगेन G2 किसके बराबर है? B2 और B3 के बीच में XOR ऑपरेशन होगा. दिस इज B2, दिस इज B3 बिकॉज B3 इज इक्वल टू G3. अब इन दोनों के बीच में XOR ऑपरेशन होगा. We will get G2. अगेन G1 किसके बराबर है? B1 XOR B2. क्लास यहां पर हमें B1 मिला था, दिस इज B1. यहां पर हमें B2 मिला था, दिस इज B2. अगेन XOR ऑपरेशन होगा, आउटपुट हमें मिलेगा G1. लास्ट में है G0. G0 इज इक्वल टू B0 XOR B1. दिस इज B0, दिस इज B1. दोनों के बीच में XOR ऑपरेशन होगा, तो आउटपुट हमें मिलेगा G0. फर्स्ट बी कन्वर्टेड ग्रे कोड टू बाइनरी कोड. Then we again converted binary code to back gray code.